Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Now I was digging in the freezer and I found this bag of frozen shrimp and I was thinking, what can I make with this? What's that? You're excited to be eaten? Okay, well maybe I can make Baja California style shrimp cocktail. How's that sound? You ready to jump into the recipe? All right, let's jump into the recipe.
Assemble.
Alright, and that's a wrap on this shrimp cocktail recipe. If you enjoyed watching the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And while you're there, hit the subscribe button and leave me a comment. Let me know whether or not you enjoyed the recipe. All right, guys. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.